Now we are going to see about Uyir Mei Eluthukal. These Uyir Mei letters are formed by combining Uyir Eluthukal and Mei Eluthukal. So when you combine vowels and consonants, you will get Uyir Mei letters. So these letters are opening up a world of possibilities in the Tamil language. So here you can see the full spectrum of Tamil alphabets comprising all 216 Uyir Mei letter. So these are all the 216 Uyir Mei Eluthukal starts from car line letters to cow line letters. Now I'll take few Uyir Mei letters and explain you how this is formed. Let's take cha. Cha. So cha is formed when you combine ich and ah. Ich plus ah, cha. Let's take one more letter. Ru. Ru. So you have to pronounce ir and u together. Ru. You will get ru. Take one more letter. Wow. Wow. The wow is formed when you combine iv with ow. Wow. Wow. So likewise, you will have to combine Uyir Eluthukal and Mei Eluthukal in order to get all other Uyir Mei letters. Let's practice speaking these Uyir Mei letters. Just say it with me. Ka, nga, cha, nya, ta, na, ta, na, pa, ma, ya, ra, la, va, la, ra, na, ka, nga, cha, nya, ta, na, ta, na, pa, ma, ya, ra, la, pa, la, ra, na, ki, ni, chi, ni, ti, ni, ti, ni, pi, mi, i, ri, li, vi, li, ri, ni, ki, ni, chi, ni, ti, ni, ti, ni, pi, mi, i, ri, li, vi, li, ri, ni, ku, ngu, chu, nyu, tu, nu, tu, nu, pu, mu, yu, ru, lu, வு, லு, லு, ரு, நு, கு, மு, சு, மியூ, டு, நு, து, நு, பு, மு, யு, ரு, லு, வு, லு, லு, ரு, நு, கே, ஞே, ஷே, ஞே, டே, நே, தே, நே, பெ, மே, ஏ, ரே, லே, வே, ளே, லே, ரே, நே, கே, ஞே, சே, ஞே, டே, நே, தே, நே, பே, மே, ஏ, ரே, லே, வே, ளே, லே, ரே, நே, கை, ஞை, சை, ஞை, தை, நை, தை, நை, பை, மை, யை, ரை, லை, வை, ளை, லை, ரை, நை, கொ, ஞொ, சோ, ஞொ, டொ, நோ, தொ, நோ, பொ, மொ, யொ, ரொ, லொ, பொ, ளொ, லொ, ரொ, நொ, கோ, ஞோ, சோ, ஞோ, டோ, நோ, தோ, நோ, போ, மோ, யோ, ரோ, லோ, வோ, லோ, லோ, ரோ, நோ, கவ், ngau, chau, nhau, tau, nào, tàu, nào, pau, mau, yao, rau, lau, bau, lau, lau, rau, now. So we have read these Uyir Mei letters vertically. We can also read these letters horizontally in order to familiarize with these letters. Let's get started now. Kakka, kikki, kukku, kekke, kai, kokko, kau. Nganga, ngingi, ngungu, ngenge, ngai, ngungu, ngau. Chacha, chichi, chuchu, cheche, chai, chocho, chau. Nyanya, nyinyi, nyinyu, nyenye, nyai, nyanyo, nyau. Tatta, titti, tuttu, tette, tai, totto, tau. Nanna, ninni, nunnu, nenne, nai, nonno, nau. Tatta, titti, tuttu, tette, tai, totto, tau. Nanna, ninni, nunnu, nenne, nai, nonno, now. Papa, pippi, puppu, peppe, pai, poppo, pau. Mamma, mimmi, mummu, mimme, mai, mommo, mau. Yaya, yiyi, yuyu, yeye, yay, yoyo, yow. Rarra, rirri, rurru, rirre, rai, rorro, raw. Lalla, lilli, lullu, lille, lai, lollo, low. Vavva, vivvi, vuvvu, vevve, vai, vovvo, wow. Lalla, lilli, lullu, lille, lai, lollo, low. Lalla, lilli, lullu, lille, lai, lollo, low. Rarra, rirri, rurru, rirre, rai, rorro, raw. Nanna, ninni, nunnu, nenne, nai, nonno, now.
If you enjoy this video and want to learn more, check out the full Tamil course. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.